Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a crucial topic to discuss: creating a budget that truly works for you. Managing your finances can seem daunting, but with the right approach, you can gain control over your money and achieve your financial goals. So, let's dive into the steps to create a budget that's tailored to your needs and lifestyle. Number 1. Understanding your financial goals. The cornerstone of a successful budget lies in understanding your financial goals. It's like setting sail on a journey. You need a destination, whether it's that dream vacation, chipping away at lingering debts, or securing your golden years. Your goals will be the North Star guiding your budgeting decisions. But don't rush this step. Dedicate some quality time to self-reflection. What are your aspirations, both in the short term and the long term? Maybe you want to achieve that milestone in your career, buy a new car, or even purchase your first home. These ambitions will be the building blocks of your budget, giving it substance and purpose. Visualize your goals vividly. Pin up pictures or create a digital vision board. Seeing these aspirations every day will motivate you to make wise spending choices. Remember, your budget is your financial GPS, and your goals are the coordinates that steer you towards success. Number 2. Tracking your income and expenses. Now that your financial goals are set, it's time to embark on the next phase: tracking your income and expenses. Think of this step as assembling the pieces of a puzzle. Each expenditure, each source of income fitting snugly to reveal the bigger financial picture. Imagine you're the captain of your financial ship, navigating through the sea of expenses and income streams. To steer effectively, you need a reliable compass. This compass is the tool you choose to track your finances. Spreadsheets offer precision. Budgeting apps bring convenience. And yes, even the traditional pen and paper method can be surprisingly insightful. Your financial journey is unique, and your tracking method should resonate with your style. Remember, the act of tracking is more than just numbers. It's a journey of self-discovery. It shows where your hard-earned money is flowing and helps you uncover potential leaks in your financial ship. Embrace this step as an opportunity to cultivate mindfulness about your spending habits. Analyze trends, pinpoint patterns, and celebrate small victories. As every dollar finds its place, you're on your way to mastering the art of budgeting with purpose. Number 3. Categorizing your spending. With your financial compass in hand, it's time to chart a course by categorizing your spending. This step is like creating a map of your financial landscape, marking the prominent landmarks of your expenses. Picture it as organizing a diverse collection into carefully labeled folders. Just as explorers categorize flora and fauna, you'll categorize your financial outflows. From housing and transportation to groceries, entertainment, and beyond, each category is a snapshot of a different facet of your life. It's an enlightening journey through your day-to-day choices. This meticulous breakdown unveils spending patterns you might not have noticed otherwise. Are you investing more in dining out than you thought? Do your subscription services stack up higher than anticipated? This visual roadmap empowers you to make informed decisions, helping you prioritize and potentially reallocate funds to align with your goals. Remember, the goal isn't restriction, it's empowerment. This categorization is your tool for fine-tuning your budget, bringing it into harmony with your aspirations. Think of it as sculpting your financial masterpiece, one category at a time. Number 4. Setting realistic limits. Now that you've charted the contours of your financial landscape, it's time to erect boundaries that keep your budget on course. Just as a skilled gardener prunes a bonsai tree, you'll carefully shape your spending to match your financial canvas. Setting realistic spending limits is the architectural blueprint of your budget. It's about aligning your aspirations with your financial reality, like crafting a bridge that connects your dreams to your income streams. This step requires an honest evaluation, a financial soul searching where you determine what you can comfortably afford. Think of each category as a room in your financial mansion. Allocate funds based on priority and necessity, ensuring essentials have ample space while discretionary expenses occupy a well-proportioned corner. Your budget, much like your home, should provide comfort and security while leaving room for the occasional indulgence. Embrace flexibility within your limits. recognizing that life's winds may shift your financial sails. Just as a seasoned sailor adjusts their course to navigate changing currents, you'll tweak your budget as needed, always guided by your goals and aspirations. In this way, your budget becomes not a restrictive cage, but a framework that sets you free to pursue your dreams within your means. Number 5. Prioritizing savings and debt repayment. As we continue our journey through the landscape of effective budgeting, let's delve into the vital terrains of savings and debt repayment. These two pillars form the bedrock of your financial stronghold, ensuring your dreams are nurtured and your path is unburdened. Think of savings as planting seeds for your future harvest. Just as a wise farmer tills the soil, you'll nurture your financial garden by allocating a portion of your income. This budding reserve cushions against unexpected storms and propels you towards your aspirations, whether it's that dream vacation, a new venture, or a comfortable retirement. But what about the debt you've accumulated on your financial journey? Think of it as excess baggage that slows your progress. Debt repayment is akin to lightening your load, ensuring your path forward is swift and unencumbered. Channel a portion of your resources towards clearing these obstacles, inching closer to financial freedom with every payment. The synergy between savings and debt repayment is the cornerstone of your financial edifice. It's the solid foundation on which you'll erect the structure of your dreams. As you allocate funds to each, visualize yourself laying the bricks of your financial fortress, one secure step at a time. The result? A life unburdened by debt, illuminated by savings, and brimming with limitless possibilities. Number 6. Review and adjust regularly. Picture your budget as a finely tuned instrument, requiring constant attention and refinement. Welcome to the enlightening realm of regular review and adjustment, the heartbeat of your financial journey. Creating a budget is like crafting a symphony. You set the notes, the tempo, and the crescendos, but the real magic happens in the rehearsal room. Regularly reviewing your budget is your practice session, your opportunity to fine-tune your financial performance. Life is a dynamic composition, filled with unexpected solos and harmonious duets. Just as a composer adapts a symphony to resonate with a new audience, you too must harmonize your budget with evolving circumstances. Promotions, job changes, growing families. Each new movement necessitates a refined arrangement. Think of your budget review as a compass recalibration, ensuring you're always headed in the right direction. With each review, celebrate your milestones and learn from your missteps. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. By embracing the rhythm of regular review, you're orchestrating a symphony of financial success that resonates with the melody of your life. Number 7. Staying disciplined and motivated. Now that your financial symphony is composed and the orchestra is in tune, let's explore the art of maintaining discipline and unwavering motivation. Just as a maestro guides their musicians to create a masterpiece, you'll guide your budget to orchestrate financial success. Staying disciplined is like sculpting a masterpiece out of marble. It requires chiseling away distractions and embracing consistency. Visualize your goals as the statue taking shape, a representation of your dreams materializing through your dedicated efforts. Motivation, much like a muse, can sometimes be elusive. Yet, it's your ally in this creative endeavor. Craft a vision board that transforms your aspirations into tangible imagery, a gallery of your financial triumphs. Reward yourself for hitting milestones. These accolades are the applause that keeps you moving forward. In the grand symphony of life, your friends and family are your most loyal audience. Enlist their support, share your journey, and let their encouragement resonate through every financial note you play. Remember, every penny saved, every debt repaid, contributes to the grand opus of your financial destiny. So, conduct your budget with purpose and precision, just as a conductor leads an orchestra to brilliance. With discipline as your baton and motivation as your anthem, you'll compose a harmonious melody of financial success that echoes through the halls of your life. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on creating a budget that works for you. By understanding your goals, tracking your finances, setting limits, and staying disciplined, you're well on your way to financial success. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care and happy budgeting.